Do you wish your handwriting looked more aesthetic? Let me show you how with 3 simple tips to make it better. And with that said, let's get to the video. Hey, what's up everyone? Thank you so much for coming back for another video. I appreciate you coming back. I know I took 2 weeks off. If you saw the saw the post in my community tab, I believe that's what it's called here on YouTube. I have filmed actually 2 videos, and both of the videos, they were not recording when I thought they were. But with that said, if you love calligraphy and design and lettering, make sure to hit that subscribe button. And in today's video, as you saw in the intro, I'm going to show you how to make your handwriting look a bit better. Tip number 1, first thing you want to do is you want to slow down and use proper pen grip. So you may have seen people hold a pen like this or even write like that. The way how I write, I hold the pen exactly like this. Therefore, it doesn't have much stress on your hand, specifically all throughout here. And the second tip, let me show you a casual type of handwriting or lettering style, however you want to say it, versus a more structured handwriting. So I'm just going to write the word handwriting. And if you take your time, be a little bit more structured. And as you see, everything flows. Let me try zooming in. Okay. Yeah, as you see here, this turned out a bit better. And me growing up in school, we had to do cursive. And now let me do this in cursive. Yeah, and you know, we got 3 different styles of handwriting here. And tip number 3, I'm gonna show you how to add a personal flair to your handwriting. And let's think of a name. What name are you thinking of? I'm thinking of the name Richard Petty. And I'm gonna show you the little small details how I have my handwriting look unique. Randy. Okay, so I just got 2 names here. Let me adjust the lighting so you could see better. Yeah, that seems to have did the trick. And make sure I'm pulling it back to where you can see. All right, we're good. And so I got 2 names here. They just came to me randomly. And the way how handwriting works, it's just like what I say with calligraphy. You could even just study and look at other people's handwriting and get inspired by it. It's really all up to you what you want to choose and do. And what I like to do specifically for me, as you see, I have the first letter of each name, the first and last, has a little bit more flair to it, and how I end it off. Really keeping it nice, quick, stylish, sometimes picking up the pen, other times lifting it very subtly. It's all about development. The more you do it, the more your style will come to you. And even doing, like writing this quote here, which is, it says you could do this too. This is in my handwriting. Take the same approach, and this just comes to me naturally. You can add your own personal flair. So style is not something that comes to you right away. You will develop it over time. And the way I develop it is study. Study, study, study. And when I say study, just look at lots of work and practice. And which one of these tips will you try first? Let me know below. And also, if you found this helpful, hit that like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace and love.